Hey everyone, thank you for joining me this morning. Thanks for watching the replay. If you are watching the replay, please type replay. If you are watching me live, please say hello. Today I am, actually let me move this over here. Let me, okay. Today I am coming to you guys live from my kitchen. So ignore any mess that might be behind me, but coming to you live from my kitchen because I want to show you something really cool. I am going to put a design on my refrigerator. So this is really exciting because I've been wanting to do this, and so I'm just going to go ahead and quickly share this with my VIP peeps. And if you are not in my VIP group, you need to be, because my VIP group is where I give specials and deals and sales and all kinds of fun stuff. And you get like exclusive information. So if you want that information, come at VIP so I can get you in that group. And what else was I gonna say? So I'm pretty excited about this. Let me quickly share it to my timeline so that all my friends and family can watch me do. Okay, so we're good there. We are shared. Okay, so give me 1 second. I'm so confused. I don't know why. Okay, guys, here's my refrigerator. So, refrigerator, I'm going to do the side of it with this awesome transfer that is kitchen measurements. Let me show you here. Kitchen measurements. If you cannot see, let me bring it closer. Kitchen measurements. Okay, so this is the transfer that I'm going to do. Now I need your help. So I really like gold. I have accents of gold a lot of places in my house. There's a picture frame right here that's gold. My blender is gold. Or not gold, it's copper. I like gold and like copper. So, okay. So the options that I'm thinking for this is that we either do gold on my fridge, black fridge, gold, or we do silver to match the actual stainless steel. So I have brown cabinets, so it's not like it'll totally look weird. So that's my dilemma, is do I do gold or silver? Gold because I like it, and I have a lot of brown, gold, copper accents in my house. Or do I do the silver to match the stainless steel? So that's the dilemma. All right, so first of all, I'm going to go ahead and peel off this transfer. I already have previously cleaned this. I wiped off the area and cleaned it with a rag. Actually, I cleaned it with my Norwex counter cloths. Handy. Okay, so let's get this on here, centered like so. Okay, this probably could have used a little fuzzing. I didn't think I would need it because the fridge has a little bit of texture on it. But I'm gonna go with, it could have used a little fuzzing, but I think we'll be okay. Okay, so here is our transfer on the fridge, just where we want it. Look, I'll be able to put my little to-do notepad next to it. Cool. All right. So, I think I'm gonna go with the silver to match the stainless steel. I don't know. I really don't know, to be honest with you. I always get myself in a dilemma like this. I never know. Silver or gold. Well, you know what? I really do like gold. So I think I'm gonna try the gold. And you know what is awesome is if I decide that the gold looks terrible, then I can just wash it off and do it in silver. So let's go ahead and get started. So all I'm gonna do is, excuse me, all I'm gonna do is just go ahead and take a little squeegee and put a bunch of this on here to cover it. And then I'm gonna use my big squeegee to smear it down the whole rest of the transfer. So I'm just putting a bunch on here, all over. Scrape some of this off into here. Okay, now I'm gonna use the big squeegee to cover the whole transfer. So, here we go. And it's better to put on more than not enough because you're going to be moving it around like this, how I am. I'm like smearing it around. And then you always scrape off the excess anyhow, so it's better to have more than not enough on there. So, just want to make sure everything is filled in. See a couple of spots that need to be filled in. Okay. Thanks. Oh, there's a little spot. I'm gonna make sure it's all covered. Spot here. But yeah, just make sure you got everything on the transfer covered. Anything that is the silk screen you want covered. Something like this. Okay, so now I'm just going to go over the whole thing one more time to scrape off all the excess. Okay, going to scrape it back into my jar. Yeah, look at all that I'm saving. Okay. Now, it's my favorite part, peel and reveal. Okay. So here we go. Moment of truth. Ready? Ready? How cute. So I'm going to lay this down over here, and I want to give you guys a close-up. So I'm going to bring this. Oh my God. I am probably making you dizzy. Okay, so look how awesome that looks on the fridge. Let me step back a little bit. Oh my gosh, what is wrong with me? This is not easy. But anyhow, so you see the refrigerator? Looks awesome, right? I will show you a close-up with my other camera. So, look at that. Let me try to get the glare out. There's a window, but I don't think I can get that glare out. But yeah, awesome, right? I am a fan. I actually really like the gold, so I think I'm gonna keep it. But yeah, so there it is. And I can, like I said, put my to-do pad right there. I can put, you know, whatever have you, still on this side of the fridge, but it gives you a really good design right there. Ooh, I like it. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Oh, you know what I just realized I was doing? I was showing it to you guys sideways this whole time. Wow, I'm a dum-dum. Let me show you. There you go. Wow. I really screwed this up, huh? You get the idea. I can't believe I was showing it sideways the whole time. You get the idea. But look how cool it turned out. All right. Okay, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And let me know if there's anything else that you guys want to see. Let me know if there's anything else you guys want to see. If you want to see me chalk some more appliances, let me know, because I'm definitely up for it. If you're looking to see me do anything else, like mugs or maybe a specific design or something like that, if you're looking for a specific something and you want to see if it can be done, let me know. Also, don't forget to check out my VIP group, because that's where I have all the specials and deals and bundles and all kinds of fun stuff. So don't forget to check that out. And if you have any questions about signing up as a designer with me, feel free to comment business below, and I will reach out to you and we'll chat, because how fun is it that I get paid to have fun painting and chalking all day? It's awesome. It's so much fun. And the compensation plan is like nothing I've ever seen before. So it really is awesome. And so if you just have any questions about it or just want to know maybe just basic information, feel free to reach out to me. And I think that's it. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I will talk to y'all soon. All right. Have a good one. Bye.